This is not fun. Said another way, this sucks. This is horrible. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the overall crypto market. I'm talking about kind of the state of the union of crypto. Now, before you jump on, the bandwagon and start bad mouthing me, let me point out something. I love crypto. This has been the most fun I've ever had. Excuse me, my nose itches. And I've been investing for 30 plus years, all this gray hair, right? But this time that we're in, that we've been in since 2022, and where we're in kind of still today, where our market cap was almost 3 trillion, now it's 1.19 and moved down in 2022, the inflation and all of the fear and all the uncertainty that was created and all that, it is not fun and it sucks. But it is what it is. There is a silver lining. It's created massive opportunities. The price points from where we were at $2.7 trillion market cap, almost 3 trillion, down to now represent what? Major discounts. Major discounts off of every single coin token that you want to buy. You can buy everything at a massive discount off of those levels, what they used to be. Okay. With that said, that's the positive. The negative is that we're living in it every day. We're living in this just kind of consistent sea of bad news. We've got talking heads. We got government talking heads coming out saying they hate crypto. By the way, on a side note, they're saying all that because they fear crypto. And secondly, because they are trying to figure out how to control it. All right. We know this until they can get their slice of it, make their money off of it. And then all of a sudden you're going to go, hey, we like crypto. We love it. You watch. That's what's going to happen. But it sucks living in it every day. And I want you to know that I get it, okay? And that I understand it. And that's why I made this video. With that said, this too shall pass. With that said, if you're in it, you're in it. And by the way, you're in it early and you're going to win long term if you stay in it. And if you ride it out, if you ride out this roller coaster, and if you just stay, and if you put your head down and you don't let all of the noise derail you and take you away from it. That's what I'm trying to say. I've been around for a long time. I was here when the internet first came on. Yes, I know. I was here when dinosaurs roamed the planet. My son asked me the other day if I was alive when dinosaurs were here. And I'm like, dude, and he's 15. He was, of course, joking, right? But there you go. It sucks. But you have to ask yourself, are you leaving? If not, you're staying. You're going to ride the tide. I'm here. I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time, even in the context of all this kind of negative this going on. I just want to make this video, let you know that I get it and that you're not alone in this boat. So thank you for your support. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.